James Haas. I'm the teacher here for the Cybersecurity Academy at Santa Paula High School. Prior to that, I am retired military. I spent 20 years in the U.S. Army. So some of the skills the students learn in the Cybersecurity Academy are they learn everything about installing, maintaining, troubleshooting computer systems, everything from hardware to software. They learn how to set up and install networks, pretty much everything IT.
The thing I enjoy most about the cybersecurity program is how hands-on it is. It's like you get to really open up everything and really delve into like how computers work and how to best maintain a computer setup or a network.
Oh man, I really love learning about just all the aspects of computers and learning how multifaceted they are. You know, there's just so much stuff to learn in this academy. It's really, really interesting.
This year specifically, we did really well in our competitions. I know I myself competed in networking infrastructures at the state level, and I was able to get 9th, just based off of the stuff we learned in our classes.
Our students do get a chance to go out in the field. They'll set up the Wi-Fi, they'll set up security cameras. And they also work on other projects where they get out and work with our technology department. It is a paid internship where they'll go and work trouble tickets here at the high school and possibly later on throughout the district.
One of the things offered through the program are certifications, which are from CompTIA. And these certifications allow you to kind of get your foot in the door in the industry.
When students finish with all their certifications, they could go do jobs anything from IT help desk to working as a network administrator, a system administrator, or even entry-level cybersecurity profession. And those jobs start anywhere from around $50,000 a year all the way up to possibly $90,000 a year, straight out of high school. So all of our classes for our sophomore and junior level courses that we offer right now are dual enrollment classes. They get both high school credit, then they also get college credit.
After high school, I want to go to college and get a degree in biotechnology or bioengineering, something of that sort.
I would like to have a career in cybersecurity. So one of the things I plan to do after high school is move on to Moorpark College because they have a really nice cybersecurity program there.
After high school, I'm planning on studying aerospace engineering with a specialization in aerothermodynamics.
My joy of being a Cybersecurity Academy instructor here is just to see the students grow. They're learning all the skills necessary to be successful in life. And so then I get to see the kids get excited when they learn things or they're like, oh wow, I really am learning this stuff and I really am getting to know it. And the confidence goes up and it's awesome to see.